If you're having an electrical problem with your Kia, maybe you have a fuse that's blown out or a relay, first thing you're going to do is go right where your left knee would be. There is a little compartment here. You'll put your fingers up there and you'll just pull towards you, and up inside you can see there's some fuses. That's the first place you can look. There is another place under the hood, so right below that you'll see this hood release, so we'll pull that. We'll go open up the hood. Now to open the hood, you're just going to go straight below the Kia symbol and then go a little to the right. There's a little flap there. You'll push up on that and open. Once you've got the hood open, you're going to find your battery, which is right there. And there's a little box, which is your fuse and relay box, just to the right of the battery. There's two little flaps on that. You're just going to push those. And then you're going to remove the cover. Once you got the cover off, you can see your fuses and relays here. If you're having an issue, we have a fuse puller that's right there as well. And then underneath the cover, you'll see that there are some spare fuses right here, and as well as the diagram for your fuses and relays. So this is another place to check if you're having an electrical issue before you take it in and inspect it. Make sure you put that cover on and make sure it's firm. You want to hear those pop and make sure that's tight. And that's how you check your fuses and relays on the Kia Soul. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe.